Hello everyone, thanks for joining on another Canvas how-to. This time I'm going to teach you how to make an announcement. So, announcements are found once you're in a course and you click the blue button on announcements. Once you click that, you are directed to possibly a blank screen. To add a new announcement, add announcement. And you need to title. So I'm going to say test example announcement. You use the text box then to create your announcement. Obviously, thank you Grammarly. Shout out to Grammarly, by the way. They are fantastic. I'm also, because I already have students in here, I'm just going to say, please disregard. You can bold, italicize, do all the things with it. If you need a YouTube video, you could do that. On the right-hand side, you can link it to a page. So if I wanted to link this to the Accelerate page, I just click it, and it automatically will link it for me with a hyperlink. If I wanted to link it for the quiz, there's the same thing you would do. So link it to that quiz. You can also upload a file if you want, or you can add an image if you want. You choose the sections you want to post it to. So let's say you have one class with 8 sections. You can just click all sections, or you can click the specific sections that you need. You can choose delay posting and schedule the post. So if you plan a week or a month in advance, this is a really nice feature because you can say, I don't want to send it out now because it might confuse students, but I want to send it out in 3 weeks. But you're already planning for it. Great. Just go ahead, click the calendar, and figure out which date you want to post it. Make sure you add the time, though. So if you don't automatically add the time, it doesn't come up. So make sure that time is set. Allow users to comment if you want. You can also say that in order for a student or a user to see replies, they have to comment first. This is also a discussion board feature, so we'll get more into that later. You can enable a podcast if you want. Students can reply in the podcast feed, and you can allow liking. I always really like to allow liking for announcements because it lets me know that somebody has seen it. And I might even put in directions here, please be sure to like this announcement so I know you read it. All right? And then all you do is you click save. So you now have an announcement. When you go to your home, depending on what your home page is set up, whether it's this or you have set up a choose home page, it might look something different. You can link your announcements to that if you want. I'll show you how to do linking with pages later in a different video, but that is how you do announcements. They are also sent to everybody in your class. So now you guys see what it looks like with the actual announcement. And that's it for this portion of Canvas How-To. I hope you enjoyed. I will be posting additional videos with other features of Canvas. So thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.